Hi, I'm Ben Ash with MDM Pumps. Today we're here at Six Flags Discovery Kingdom in Vallejo, California. What makes this park really unique is it has wildlife and wild rides. We're gonna go in and check it out.
My name is Remy Corner. I'm the Aquatic Life Support Facilities Manager here at Six Flags Discovery Kingdom in Vallejo, California. My scope here includes treatment and well-being of all the water and aquatic exhibits for the marine mammals such as the dolphins that we see behind us here today. Here at Six Flags we have 21 Atlantic bottlenose dolphins under our care. We've got just over a dozen California sea lions, some Pacific harbor seals, some Pacific walrus. We have a 300,000 gallon shark aquarium. And altogether my scope entails the life support and treatment of about 6.5 million gallons of artificial seawater. So the scope of a life support manager in this business is to take care of all the pumps, the filtering equipment, and all the other technology that goes into keeping the water looking blue, looking clean, and being healthy for the animals. Dolphin Harbor contains about 780,000 gallons of artificial seawater. I have 8 pumps running on this system through mechanical sand filtration, foam fractionators, as well as an ozone disinfection system on this pool. And altogether, those pumps cycle at about 4,100 gallons a minute. To turn over this pool roughly about every 3¼ hours. So here at Six Flags, we definitely partner with the community of Vallejo. We're a large employer for our city. Six Flags has a program called Project 6 where we go out in the community and help some ancillary organizations to do some service work where all the full-time employees go out and do that sort of stuff. For the marine community, we have a big partnership with the Marine Mammal Center out of Sausalito, California. Every year for the past few years, the Marine Mammal Center has seen an unusual mortality event for California sea lions off the California coast. And Six Flags has been able to help them take some of the patient load off and help rehabilitate the animals while they find a new home somewhere else. This particular park sees about 1.7 million annual attendants that come from, really our core market is about a 200-mile radius from the park. Most of our demographic is families, and kids love to come to the park, see all the animals. We're a marine and a zoo park. We've got, I mentioned some of the aquatic animals that we have here. We've also got Bengal tigers, we've got giraffes, we've got reptiles, lions, all sorts of other critters that the kids and families love to come here and interface with. And our scope, our job here, to maintain the health of these animals is crucially important.
So Remy, if you could tell us, what is of utmost value in a life support system?
Probably that all the equipment runs well, it's maintainable, sustainable, and lasts a long time.
And how do you make the decisions to select equipment like that?
I usually lean on my colleagues in the industry and find out what equipment people are familiar with and how reliable the equipment is, how well it can be serviced. And then, occasionally it's nice just to try a new product, something that looks intriguing when it hits the market.
What's of utmost value to Six Flags Vallejo as far as an equipment supplier?
That they're responsive, they're in tune with our needs, working with animals. We have a lot of vital equipment that usually can't be down for a long period of time.
Sure.
So that the suppliers can turn around their stuff pretty quickly is usually a big value to me.
Awesome. Yeah. So on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being horrible, you're not going to do business with MDM again, 10 being stellar, definitely do business with MDM again. What has been your experience? How would you rate or score your experience in dealing with MDM?
Can it go as high as 12?
Absolutely.
No, your products have been great. They've been phenomenally reliable. I've got two pumps that are operating on a very high ozone, high oxidant environment that They've held up very, very well to the elements. And then we've got 2 more Genesis pumps that we just put in that again are going to be hit by the elements. They're going to have ozone in the air, attacking the parts, ozone in the water, attacking the parts. So far, the products have performed really well for us. We're excited to see these ones get some longevity.
Awesome. Yeah, appreciate that. How would you score our ability to respond technically?
I think it's great. You guys have been available every time I've called about an issue. Sent me parts. Kind of, that shouldn't have happened. Here, try this. You guys have been really willing to work with us when we've had any sort of failures in the past, and we look forward to continuing doing business with you guys.
Awesome. Thank you. Appreciate your time today.
Thank you, Ben.